Okay, so it's snowing. I'm with my little sister. It's really cold. Look at the snow.
Oh, you almost fell.
Look at the snow. It's snowing.
It's snowing. You almost fell. Oh, it's snowing. I almost
snowing.
fell.
So we're gonna get my mom's car because she parked too far. Where is it? Let's hurry up. It's cold. It's cold in the motherfucker. So we got the police. The cars. So how do you like the snow, Daisy?
It's so fun, but I'm scared to fall.
Look, you can slide. Just slide it. Look, look.
Huh?
Catch it. Let's get in the car.
I almost fell. There we go. I'm freezing.
Cold.
Yes. They pop.
Oh no, still recording. We get in the car because we're moving it because my mom was too lazy to park it elsewhere closer to the street. It's snowing now.
Really?
This guy's right behind us. It's very dangerous driving in the snow because it was light. See, it was lighting.
It was?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold.
And this guy is behind me. Like, really is the only parking.
He wants to
available.
park here. There's a parking over
I
there.
don't know where he's parking right here. It's really cold. We're gonna slide in the car so we can slide. Hope we don't crash and die.
Slide.
Yeah, let's see. Forget the road.
God.
Yeah, that was cool.
Where's the parking? Oh, it's over there.
Where is it?
Right there, look.
Alright, you think we can fit?
Yeah.
Hopefully.
That was cool. How you slide?
That was cool. It doesn't because it's too heavy. My car probably would do it better.
Slide, actually. Right the window.
Is it good?
Yeah. Let me go check. Yeah, it's good. Oi, I almost fell.
Alrighty, so we're going back in the house because it's too cold to keep on recording outside. We'll probably go to Grandma's tomorrow. This is dirty snow. I don't like it when it gets dirty.
Yeah, I like it when it's clean and white and it's new.
Okay, say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Bye.